Seniors, take this before bed or your muscles will keep disappearing. As we age, maintaining muscle mass isn't just harder, it's essential. That nagging weakness in your legs, the slower movements, that's not just aging. It could be the early signs of sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle strength and size. After 50, your muscle mass can start to decline faster than you realize. And by 60, you could be losing up to 3% of your strength every year. Left unchecked, it leads to falls, injuries, and a loss of independence. But here's the good news. Muscle loss is not inevitable. New science reveals that what you do before bed, especially what you take, can either accelerate decline or trigger repair. Understanding sarcopenia and its hidden threat. Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in slowly, reducing strength, draining energy, and making everyday tasks feel harder. Its causes? A mix of hormonal shifts, lower activity levels, and one of the biggest factors, poor nutrition. But here's the opportunity. Nutrition is fixable, and timing is everything. Why sleep is the key to muscle loss or growth. Sleep isn't downtime, it's repair time. While you sleep, especially during deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which kicks off muscle recovery and rebuilding. But here's the catch. If your body doesn't have the right nutrients in place, that repair process stalls. It's like sending out a construction crew with no materials. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to fully support muscle repair. And for people over 50, that rest becomes even more crucial. Nutrition and sleep work together. Miss one and the other can't do its job. Protein, the most overlooked nighttime tool. Protein delivers the amino acids your body needs to repair muscle fibers. Taking it before bed, especially a slow-digesting protein like casein, gives your body steady fuel throughout the night. Studies show that just 40 grams of casein before sleep can significantly boost muscle repair in older adults, especially those with anabolic resistance. If you're over 50, your body may not respond to protein as efficiently. That makes the timing of your intake even more important. Pre-bed protein isn't just a fitness trend, it's a proven way to stay stronger, longer. Now let's break down the 7 essential vitamins your body needs before bed. Quick reminder, this video isn't medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting new supplements or making major changes to your diet. First up, magnesium, the muscle repair mineral. Magnesium is your muscle's nighttime mechanic. While you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode, but without enough magnesium glycinate, that process stalls. This specific form absorbs efficiently and actually reaches your muscle cells. Seniors often don't get enough, which leads to tightness, cramps, and slow recovery. One study showed that adults over 65 who took it nightly had less stiffness, fewer cramps, and stronger mornings. Take 250 milligrams about 30 minutes before bed with water, no food. Unlike other forms, glycinate won't upset your stomach. It supports over 300 enzyme processes, including hydration, oxygen delivery, and muscle relaxation. Miss it, and small issues like sore legs and restless sleep can snowball into bigger weakness over time. But take it regularly, and you'll likely notice deeper sleep, easier movement, and better mornings. Magnesium is your quiet nighttime partner. Don't go to bed without it. Next, we have B12 for nerve-muscle connection. Vitamin B12 is your nervous system's communication line. Without enough of it, your brain signals get fuzzy and your muscles don't move or repair properly. That's why seniors low in B12 often feel unsteady or slow. And here's the kicker. Stomach acid, which helps absorb B12, drops with age. Even a balanced diet might not be enough. Use methylcobalamin, the active form, as a sublingual tablet. Just place it under your tongue an hour before bed. This method bypasses digestion and delivers B12 directly into your bloodstream when your body's doing its deepest nerve repair. A study showed that seniors taking B12 this way saw nearly 50% better muscle coordination in just 8 weeks. If your legs feel heavy or your reflexes are dull, B12 could be the silent culprit. Reconnect your nerves to your muscles and your strength starts to return, one night at a time. Now let's talk about D3, the muscle building hormone. Vitamin D3 isn't just for bones, it's a muscle-building hormone. It turns on genes inside muscle fibers that support strength, coordination, and repair. Without it, muscles shrink and fatigue faster, even with exercise. And here's the shocker, most seniors are deficient, especially at night when levels naturally dip. Take 2000 IU of vitamin D3 after dinner, paired with healthy fat like peanut butter or avocado. This boosts absorption by over 60%, giving your muscles the tools they need to grow during sleep. Studies show that seniors who supplement at night improve lower body strength by 18% in 12 weeks. It especially supports fast-twitch fibers, the ones that help you balance, climb stairs, and prevent falls. Think of D3 as your body's muscle signal. If it's off, nothing grows. Flip it on, and you're back in control. Fourth is vitamin E, your muscle shield. Vitamin E is like armor for your muscles. During sleep, your body repairs microscopic muscle tears, but this process creates oxidative stress, tiny fires that can burn out your muscle fibers. Vitamin E neutralizes those fires, preventing damage and accelerating recovery. Seniors with higher vitamin E intake showed 27% better grip strength and faster walking speed. But don't grab just any supplement, only natural D-alpha tocopherol works. Synthetic forms don't protect your muscle tissue the same way. Take 400 IU about 1 hour after dinner, just before bed. That's when your body enters deep repair mode, and E steps in as your internal shield. You won't notice it overnight, but after a few weeks, you'll feel less soreness, better endurance, and steadier steps. Vitamin E won't bulk you up, but it'll protect the strength you're working to keep. Before we continue, if you're getting value from this video so far, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip to keep your body strong and healthy. Up next, vitamin B6, the key to turning protein into strength. Protein without B6 is like bricks without mortar. You can eat all the eggs and shakes in the world, but without vitamin B6, your body can't convert that protein into actual muscle. This is especially true for older adults who process nutrients less efficiently. The best form is P5P, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, the active version your body uses right away. Take 20 to 50 milligrams on an empty stomach about an hour before bed to maximize muscle repair. Studies show that seniors with higher B6 levels retain 22% more muscle mass over 3 years. Another study found that B6 reduces overnight protein breakdown by 18%. It's not flashy, but it's foundational. With consistent use, B6 helps you stay stronger, longer, without changing your diet or activity. If you're doing the work but not seeing results, this could be your missing link. Power your protein properly. Sixth is vitamin C, the collagen builder. Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's for collagen, the connective tissue that holds your muscles together. Without it, your muscle fibers tear more easily and heal slower. For seniors, this is critical. One study found that low vitamin C levels increase sarcopenia risk by 67%. Your body builds and repairs collagen mostly at night. That's why taking 1,000 milligrams of buffered or liposomal vitamin C before bed gives your body the raw material it needs, right when it needs it. Take it at least an hour after your last meal for best absorption. Bonus, it also helps your joints, reduces inflammation, and enhances the effects of nighttime protein or collagen supplements. Think of vitamin C as the thread in your muscle fabric. Without it, everything starts to unravel. Next is K2, directs calcium to muscle. Vitamin K2 is your body's calcium traffic cop. It directs calcium to the right places, your bones and muscles, and keeps it out of the wrong ones like arteries and soft tissue. Without K2, you risk weakened muscles and hardened arteries, a dangerous combo for seniors. The MK7 form is the most effective, staying in your system up to 72 hours. Take 1 capsule before bed with a small spoon of healthy fat like coconut oil or almond butter. This ensures it gets absorbed and used during your body's mineral redistribution phase, which happens while you sleep. In studies, K2 boosted leg muscle strength by 37% and mitochondrial efficiency by 55%. That means stronger, more energized muscles with no change in diet or activity. Most seniors miss this crucial vitamin, not because they don't care, but because they've never heard of it. Now you have. Common mistakes that kill your progress. Even with the right supplements in hand, many seniors make small mistakes that quietly sabotage their results. Let's clear up a few of the most common myths so your efforts actually pay off. Mistake number 1, my multivitamin covers it. Not quite. Most multivitamins use low-quality forms in ineffective doses. For example, B12 is often listed as cyanocobalamin, a form poorly absorbed by older adults. You need methylcobalamin instead. Same with B6, look for P5P, and K2, go for MK-7. If the form is wrong, your body just won't use it. Mistake number 2, just take them with food. Not always. Some nutrients like B12 and magnesium glycinate work better on an empty stomach. Others like D3, K2, and vitamin E need healthy fats to be absorbed properly. Timing and pairing aren't suggestions, they're part of the prescription. Mistake number 3, all vitamins play nice together. Actually, no. Calcium, magnesium, and zinc all compete for absorption. Taking them together can cancel each other out. To avoid this, space them out by at least an hour. It's not just what you take, it's when and how. Mistake number 4, timing doesn't matter. It does, a lot. Your body does the heavy lifting, muscle repair, collagen synthesis, nerve tuning, while you sleep. Taking these nutrients before bed lets them work when your body is most receptive. Morning doses miss that critical window. How to put this into action, starting tonight. First, add a slow-digesting protein snack before bed, like cottage cheese or a scoop of casein. This keeps your muscles fueled during the long repair hours of sleep. Second, take the right supplements at the right time. Think magnesium, B12, D3, K2, and more, all in their active forms with proper pairings, some with fat, some on an empty stomach. Third, don't skip movement. Even light strength training or resistance bands during the week can supercharge the effects of your nighttime nutrition. Muscles need both fuel and a reason to grow. No need to overhaul your life. Just start with one small change tonight. That's how strength comes back, one smart habit at a time. If you found this helpful, share it with a parent, a friend, someone who needs this message. Drop in the comments. Which vitamin are you missing? And don't forget to hit subscribe. This channel is about real, science-backed tips to help you not just live longer, but live stronger.